Are you ready to master Python and sharpen your problem-solving skills? Welcome to our all-new playlist, where you'll tackle must-know Python projects that will take your coding to the next level. Hi, I'm Keith, and this is Learn Alloid, your one-stop channel for everything programming. In this playlist, we've curated a series of essential Python projects designed to build your foundational problem-solving skills. Whether you're a beginner or someone brushing up on your skills, this is the perfect place to start. In this playlist, you'll learn how to solve problems like building a number-guessing game, checking for prime numbers, validating passwords, and even creating a simple web scraper. First up is the number-guessing game. This project is all about logic and loops. Here's how it works. The program generates a random number, and the player has to guess it within a limited number of tries. It's a fantastic way to learn about the random module, conditional statements, and while loops. Next, we have the Palindrome Checker. This project helps you master string manipulation. A palindrome is a word or number that reads the same forward and backward. For example, Madam and 121 are palindromes. You'll use slicing techniques and conditional logic to write a simple yet powerful program. Finally, let's explore the Fibonacci Sequence Generator. This project introduces recursion and loops. The Fibonacci sequence is a series where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones, starting with 0 and 1. This project challenges you to think recursively, and it's a great stepping stone for understanding dynamic programming concepts later on. You can even explore its applications in algorithms and data science. Each project is carefully selected to help you master essential Python concepts like loops, conditionals, recursion, file handling, and more. Here's how the playlist is structured. Each video will start with a problem statement, followed by breaking it down into smaller steps, writing clean Python code, and testing the solution. You'll gain hands-on experience with real-world problems that are perfect for practice and interviews. Why should you follow this playlist? Because problem-solving is the backbone of programming. These projects aren't just about coding, they're about developing the logical thinking and confidence you need to solve bigger challenges. Here's a sneak peek. We'll start with a simple calculator to brush up on basic syntax. Then, we'll move to exciting projects like a password validator, a Fibonacci sequence generator, and even a basic web scraper to fetch data online. Cool, right? You don't need any prior experience, just a basic understanding of Python syntax. Make sure you have Python installed and your favorite code editor ready. Ready to start your Python problem-solving journey? Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss the first project in the series. Let's code together and solve some amazing challenges. This is Keith from Learn Alloid, signing off. See you in the next video. Happy coding!